to everyone in the Detox gang. Thank you so much for being part of the group. This is going to be an awesome experience for you. As I already told you, you're going to learn so much. I look forward to dropping jewels every week. Every week you will have a quick crash course on something. And today is going to be food pairing. It'll be available for 3 days, 72 hours. Food pairing, quick crash course. You cannot just pair anything and put anything on the plate. Number one, you should not have more than 4 different types of foods on your plate. So that means you can have, let's say, string beans, rice, cauliflower, and squash. All right, yellow squash. Those are 4 different types of foods. You should not have more than 4 different types of foods on your plate because it will basically be too much work for the digestive system, for the digestive enzymes. All right, and in addition to that, you should also pair your food so that it is optimally digested in the body. You have 3 main digestive enzymes: amylase, which digests fat. Then you have amylase, which digests carbs. You have protease, which digests proteins, and you have lipase, which digests fats. So that are the 3 main digestive enzymes within the body that will digest food. All right, so those digestive enzymes are what work on the food. You cannot combine fats with protein. You cannot combine carbs with fats. You cannot combine protein with carbs. That just does not work for the body. It's just not the divine order of the body. So what can you pair? When it comes to fruit, you have subacidic fruit, you have acidic fruit, and you have sweet fruit. Okay, subacidic fruit examples are apples, pears. Okay, they have pretty much a neutral pH. Then you have acidic fruits like grapefruits, oranges, tangerines. Then you have sweet fruits like bananas and dates, and any type of dried fruit is considered a sweet fruit. You cannot pair sweet fruit with anything. Sweet fruit can only be eaten by themselves. All right, you cannot pair a banana and a strawberry. No, you could pair a banana and a date. That would be good. When it comes to subacidic fruit and acidic fruit, they can pair. Subacidic fruit can pair with any type of fruit except sweet fruit. So subacidic fruit can pair with acidic fruit. Okay, acidic fruit can only pair with subacidic fruit. All right, and then you have one more category, which are melons. Watermelons, honeydew, and cantaloupe only compare with each other. All right, you cannot put cantaloupe with strawberry and bananas. No. Cantaloupes, any type of melon should be only eaten with another melon. You should only eat watermelon with cantaloupe or honeydew, and the same for honeydew and the same for cantaloupe, only with watermelon or cantaloupe or honeydew. All melons can be eaten together but with nothing else because it digests faster in the body. When it comes to regular food that we eat, like protein, carbs, high starch vegetables. High starch vegetables will be your carbs, and then you have low starch vegetables, leafy greens. All right, so you have carbs, you have proteins, you have low starch, dark leafy greens. Those are 3 types of food: protein, carbs, low carbs, dark leafy greens. All right, protein can only pair with low carb, non-starch, dark leafy green vegetables. Protein can only pair with low carbs, low starch, leafy green vegetables or leafy green vegetables. All right. Carbs can only pair with low starch, low carb, or leafy green vegetables. Protein can only pair with what? Low starch, dark leafy green vegetables. Carbs can only pair with low starch, dark leafy green vegetables. Protein and carbs can never pair together. Protein and carbs can never pair together. If you're eating flesh foods, meaning chicken, fish, beef, I am not considering that the protein. Those are flesh foods. Flesh foods should not be eaten with anything. Flesh foods take a minimum of 6 to 8 hours to digest in the body. You have to eat those alone. Adding more things to that will just slow digestion down, and that's why we have the itis, as we like to call it. Okay, so I was making sure I'm still recording. That's why we have the itis. Fats, avocado, things like chia seeds should only be eaten by themselves. by themselves. And that's a quick crash course on food pairing. Remember, subacidic fruit, acid fruit can pair. Sweet fruit, eat by themselves. When it comes to food, protein and carbs do not pair. That's a bad pair. Protein and low starch, dark leafy green vegetables can pair. Carbs with low starch, dark leafy green vegetables can pair. Fats, eat them by themselves. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Detox Gang. Look for more videos, look for more cool tips coming to you all as soon as possible. Enjoy. Bye-bye.